It's a small island. It's 5 miles long, 3 give or so wide. And for us live on Daufuskie, it's just a unique place to be. As a child growing up here, this has been a dream place to live, but you never know, you don't miss what you had until you leave. Born and my grandmother had the okra field, and I do not like okra today. You were taught to do all things at an early age as you grew up because you had older sisters then, and a lot of things were passed down. Like when I was the oldest at home, I had more responsibility in making sure when they leave the house that things got done, because she'll leave me in charge and it better get done. Do as I say, not as I do. Any chores or whatever they wanted you to do, make sure that those your sister help you out to wash clothes or rake the yard, whatever they cut through, bring in the wood that was already cut. These were chores, always. Wow. They were always chores. And leaving Daufuskie for me as a child, it was for educational reasons. Our school at that point went to 8th grade, and once you finished the 8th grade, you got to go over. Your parents would decide who you stay with, so they can make sure your watchful eyes was on you. Like my mom told me, she said, "Now, Sallie Ann, I'm sending you to Alma," which was her sister in Savannah. And she said, "Don't make me walk that water to come get you." Okay, so I really thought my mom could walk water. Basically because when she said something, you did not backtalk. You did not even cross an eye. Because if you had a problem, she said, "You know, I'm the problem solver, you know, if you got a problem." My grandmother had that look. She didn't have to talk. She just had that look. When she looked at you, you knew. You better move out the way or go do what she told you to do. Because if you sit around asking questions, you might not like the results. I grew up with a village, being raised here. There were no just family doing the job. We actually had everybody watching out for us, making sure that we behaved and doing the right thing. I thought this was how the world was growing up here, having people to care for you. Didn't matter the color. It didn't matter what they had or didn't have. You were a part of the community, and that's how it was. So growing up with those folks teaching manners, moral value, and respect today has just been so great for me to realize their struggle and their love for me. And I am here today to shine because of what I've been taught.